A youth camp was shut down for the week after several positive cases of COVID-19 linked to the camp were reported. Fayette County health officials say at least 11 cases have been associated with Bluegrass Christian Camp in Lexington.
Camps are trying to get back to normal, but they still have to take precautions. Chad Hedrick talked to counselors at a different camp about what they're doing. It's first on Fox.
Summer camps this year have a lot more of a normal feel to them compared to 2020.
We've had as much as 250 plus out here this summer so far, which in comparison to last year, that is 2.5 times as many.
At Pepper Hill Summer Camp in Jessamine County, kiddos are running around, spending time with friends, and enjoying a normal summer. But COVID-19 is still a factor, and precautions are still being followed.
We're still taking temperatures in the morning. We're still hand sanitizing hands and bathrooms after activities.
It's not a normal camp activity, but one that's needed to keep campers and counselors from getting sick.
That's number one priority, obviously. Safety is always very important to us.
But the virus is still making its way into some camps. At least 11 cases associated with the Bluegrass Christian Camp in Lexington were confirmed Tuesday. Health officials say there are likely more, but because those patients don't live in Fayette County, they don't have a total number. Last week, an outbreak was reported at a camp in Carter County.
It kind of humbles you a little bit and makes you realize, like, you know, we're not untouchable.
In an email that we obtained from Bluegrass Christian Camp, officials say after a few members of last week's camp session came down with COVID, the camp tested unvaccinated staff and volunteers. Multiple positive tests came back Tuesday, and the rest of this week's camp was canceled.
It reminds us that COVID is still prevalent and that it still can happen.
Chad Hedrick for the Fox 56 10 o'clock news.
We reached out to Bluegrass Christian Camp to ask a couple of questions. They have not yet responded.